Hey everyone, tonight we're in the garage doing the install of our mounting brackets for the Pursuit side view mirrors from Seizmik. We purchased these from Rocky Mountain ATV, and the reason we're installing these is they came already installed with the brackets for the general, but they kind of sit at a I don't know, a little bit of an awkward angle, and it's a little bit tough to adjust them. So here on the other side, I kind of mocked it up a little bit. If you can see, here's going to be the new mount. Right now it sits up a little bit higher and at this a bit of an angle. See it better from this side. It's kind of cocked up, whereas this mount, once we tighten it, a little more straight up and down, allow the mirror to sit more level. So we're having to attach this right here where our RIFAB windshield attaches, but the bolts are long enough that it should work just fine. With a 15mm ratchet for the lower part, and then an 8mm Allen wrench for the upper part, and then hopefully, as others have recommended on the general form, that we'll use this to use for a GoPro mount. Since it just got a GoPro, I'm pretty excited to mount that up as well. So I'll go ahead and remove that and install it, and we'll see how it looks. One other recommendation when doing this install for the bolts that go into the cage is to push down a towel or tape or something to hold the nuts on the back side so they don't fall out, and you end up spending a while fishing those out. Okay, there it is, all mounted up. Pretty simple, with a couple of bolts on the roll cage, and then one other bolt there on the inside that had to do to get it off was a 17mm. So it sits a lot more level, and from the driver's side, I'm definitely able to adjust it better to where I can see what's behind me. It was always difficult from the driver's view to the passenger mirror to really see back at the angle it was before. So this is a pretty simple fix to help being able to see, and with the street legal kit that we have and ability to drive on the road, it's definitely nice to be able to see clear behind you. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for other videos of the general in action and our reviews of other accessories that we have on this machine.